Did you know that by the time you finished watching this video, you may already be losing precious muscle strength? Imagine waking up one morning unable to stand from your favorite chair without help. For millions of seniors, this silent muscle decline called sarcopenia threatens independence. But what if I told you that simply tweaking your diet could reverse this process, even after age 70? Today, I'm Dr. Sarah Collins *, a geriatric researcher with over 20 years at the National Institute on Aging, and in the next 8-12 minutes, I'll share science-backed strategies and personal insights to help you rebuild and preserve muscle well into your golden years. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding age-related muscle loss. What is sarcopenia? A progressive loss of muscle mass and strength recognized by the World Health Organization as a diagnosable condition, WHO, 2021. Begins insidiously around age 50 and accelerates thereafter, affecting balance, mobility, and quality of life. Kruzhentov et al., 2019. Why food matters. While resistance exercise remains crucial, nutritional intake directly influences muscle protein synthesis. NIH, 2023. Certain bioactive compounds in foods can stimulate muscle rebuilding, reduce inflammation, and optimize hormonal responses. Harvard Health Publishing, 2022. 2. 4 Common dietary pitfalls to avoid. Low protein intake. Many seniors consume only 0.7 g/kg/day below the 1.0-1.2 g/kg recommended for older adults. International Society of Sports Nutrition, 2020. Skipping breakfast. Missing morning protein delays the day's anabolic window, making it harder to maintain lean mass. USDA MyPlate, 2023. Excess refined carbs and sugar. High glycemic foods can exacerbate inflammation, undermining muscle repair. CDC, 2022. Over-reliance on supplements. Powders alone can't replace whole food matrices that deliver synergistic nutrients and phytochemicals. Medline Plus, 2023. Expert tip: aim for 25-30 g of high-quality protein at each meal. NIH, 2024. 7 science-backed foods to rebuild muscles after 60. 1. Greek yogurt, the nighttime protein powerhouse. Why it works: high in casein protein, which releases amino acids slowly during sleep, combating overnight muscle breakdown. Jaeger et al., 2017. How to use: enjoy 170 g of plain Greek yogurt before bed, topped with berries or a sprinkle of flaxseed for added fiber and antioxidants. Research insight: a 2021 study from Tufts University found seniors consuming evening casein had 15% less muscle loss over 6 months compared to controls. 2. Fatty fish, omega-3's anti-inflammatory boost. Key nutrients: EPA and DHA fatty acids, complete proteins, plus vitamin D for muscle function. Serving suggestion: 100 g of grilled salmon or mackerel twice weekly. Clinical finding: older adults who ate fatty fish bi-weekly experienced 25% less strength decline over 3 years. American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2022. 3 whole eggs, affordable, complete amino profile. Highlight: the yolk houses leucine, critical for activating mTOR pathways that drive muscle protein synthesis. Patton-Jones and Rasmussen, 2009. Best practice: 2 eggs at breakfast, paired with whole grain toast and spinach. Safety note: for most seniors, moderate egg intake poses no increased cardiovascular risk. Harvard Health, 2020. For nuts and seeds, micronutrient-dense snacks. Nutrition Snapshot: almonds, walnuts, pumpkin, and chia seeds provide plant proteins, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Portion control: a small handful, 20-30 g, daily as a snack or salad topper. Gut muscle link: fiber promotes healthy microbiota, reducing systemic inflammation that impairs muscle health. Medline Plus, 2023. 5 beans and legumes: the resistant starch secret. Why they matter: 15 g of protein per cooked cup, plus resistant starch that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Preparation tip: soak beans overnight to improve digestibility. Add lentils to soups and salads 3-4 times per week. Long-term benefit: seniors eating legumes regularly showed 30% better endurance over 5 years. Human Nutrition Research Center, Tufts, 2020. 6 dark leafy greens, natural nitrate power. Superstars: spinach, kale, Swiss chard rich in nitrates converted to nitric oxide, improving blood flow to muscle fibers. Simple addition: 2 cups daily in smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. Research highlight: a Swedish study reported 12% gains in leg strength among older adults consuming high nitrate greens. Karolinska Institute, 2018. 7 extra virgin olive oil, anti-inflammatory fat. Active compound: oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory agent comparable to ibuprofen. Usage: 2-3 tablespoons daily, drizzled over vegetables or mixed into low-heat dishes. Study insight: daily olive oil intake correlated with 20% lower risk of frailty in a 5-year Spanish cohort. University of Navarra, 2019. Real-world inspiration: meet Mr. Robert Martinez, 68, from Columbus, Ohio. After noticing he struggled to climb the stairs, Robert consulted his primary care doctor. He learned about sarcopenia through an AARP Health article, AARP, 2023, and decided to revamp his diet. By adding Greek yogurt before bed, 2 weekly salmon dinners, and daily handfuls of almonds, he regained enough leg strength to return to his beloved gardening within 8 weeks. "I never imagined food alone could make such a difference," he says. This example illustrates how consistent, whole food strategies can deliver rapid, tangible benefits. 5 common mistakes and practical tips. Mistake number 1: overcooking proteins. Heat damage reduces amino acid availability. Opt for gentle cooking methods: steaming, poaching. Mistake number 2: ignoring micronutrients. Vitamins D, K, magnesium, and zinc are cofactors in muscle metabolism. Include colorful produce and nuts. Mistake number 3: one-size-fits-all supplements. Tailor any supplemental whey or fish oil to your lab results and physician guidance. Pro tip: pair protein with a small amount of healthy fat, e.g., olive oil, to slow digestion and sustain amino acid delivery. Conclusion: start today. Incorporate at least 2 of the highlighted foods into your daily routine. Be consistent. Muscle rebuilding is cumulative. Small changes compound over weeks and months. Monitor progress. track your strength time, how long you stand from a chair or climb stairs, and celebrate improvements. Consult experts. Always discuss major dietary shifts or supplements with your healthcare provider. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean weakening. With targeted nutrition, you can rebuild muscle, regain confidence, and stay active for decades to come. I'm Dr. Sarah Collins, thanking you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more evidence-based health insights, and share your own success stories in the comments below. Stay strong, stay independent, and I'll see you next time.